the 8th time, Europe's most important prize was awarded to the best theme parks on the continent. It took place in the Hotel La Cité Suspendue in Parc Asterix in France. On the occasion of the trade exhibition IAAPA European Expo, the best theme parks, the best novelties, and the most spectacular attractions and coasters were honored. The European Star Award was launched by the trade magazine Kirmes and Parc Revue in 2012 in order to bring attention to innovative ideas and entrepreneurial courage within the industry annually. Europa Park, for example, got the award of the best theme park. The best new roller coaster is Untamed at Walibi Holland. Shambhala is the best steel coaster, while Colossus Kampf der Giganten got the award for being the best wooden coaster. The best new ride is Sesame Street Street Mission at PortAventura. You can find all 10 placements in every category and the introduction of the expert jury on the homepage of Kirmes and Parc Revue in their digital version of the special issue about the European Star Award 2019. The link is in the description. The next European Star Award will take place in London 2020.